Hi, this is Nick and I'm with Atlantic Laser Scanning. For over a dozen years now, Atlantic Laser Scanning has been a rental provider for different types of 3D scanning equipment. That's going to include Faro scanners, Creaform scanners, and now we've got Lidar units available from Inertial Labs. Not only do we have these Lidar units like the Hesai, the Livox, the Velodyne available for rental, we also have them available for sale. If you decide that you rent the unit and you like it, we can take the entire rental fee and apply it towards the payment for the new unit if you want to purchase one. Today, we're going to show you how to install a vibration insulator or dampening unit that comes along with the Lidar in the box when you get it. This is designed to reduce any vibration that you might get from the drone while you're flying, collecting data with the Lidar unit. Now, it really only takes a few minutes. It's fairly simple. The tools that you need are included. Let's get right to it. Good luck. You can do this. We are going to replace the existing dampener that comes on the DRJI M300 with a new dampener for the mounts. And it's just going to be a couple of screws. And a couple of washers. First, we're going to remove the existing dampener. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the Allen wrench that was provided in the dampening kit that comes with the Atlantic Laser Scanning system. We'll go ahead and push the bottom. And the bottom piece is a little trickier. You just press through and you're going to find the flat piece, which we're struggling with here. We're just going to push that through and then squeeze it so we can get a hold of it on the bottom. And then work it back out again, just like so. Now we want to be sure that we're using the correct mount. They are numbered, but you have to look at the angle at the top and the bottom brackets so that they match the angles of the brackets coming off of the drone. So this is correct. We're just going to slide it right into place. Now we've got two different washers, kind of a washer nut. We're going to use the smaller of the two. We're going to drop the screw right into it. The easy one's going to be the bottom one. It's going to just go right into the bottom of the mount. Just line up the screw. And that one's done. The top one is a little more tricky because what we're going to do is drop the screw into the top bracket, but then we're going to have to take this larger nut and work it in between the dampener itself, and then the screw is going to go into the hole in this sort of flat washer nut. So there's no real easy way to do it other than just jam your fingers in there. Hold it flat. And it's done. We'll just repeat for the rest of the drone and you're good to go.